In this video, you will learn how to effectively use the closing MLS info as found in every detailed dashboard. To get to the closing MLS info form, click on your client's name that you are working with, then click on the address that you are working on. You will find the closing MLS info link on the detailed dashboard within the detailed transaction. The top section of the form is for you to fill out with your commission amount, office expenses, office transaction fee, the fee for your transaction broker, and any other fee that can be typed in that is pertinent to the bottom line of this specific transaction, like a home warranty, photography, staging, any fee that hits your bottom line as the agent. This information will show in your full report for your zip transactions at the end of the transaction. If the closing MLS info for each transaction is kept current, this can help you with your tax season at the end of the year. If you are all about saving time, you will definitely want to review the help video tutorials, full report, and sold transaction report. The next section, Agents, is for the selling or buying agent. This information can be easily added if you are integrated with the buyer agent. Just go back to the e-contracts in the detailed dashboard, go to the integration box, and click on the fifth green link, Update Buyer and Selling Agent Info in C-Sheet. If you're not integrated or the other agent is not a CTM user, click on this orange link, CTM RE Agent Database. Search the agent by last name and click on the agent you will be working with. The agent's information will populate in and click Save. The agent's information is now in your contact sheet as well. If the agent is not in the database, type in as much of the agent's information as you can and click this box, Add RE Agent to Database, and click Save. The next section, Referring, is where you can place the referring agent information if there is one. Then the next section, Required Doc, is a checklist for required documents that you may need for your closing file. You can just check those off as they are received. The next section, Closing Information MLS, is where you would put your under contract date, closing date, purchase price, sold lease terms, etc. Any items with a red asterisk is required for the MLS. The next section, MLS, is where you would put the seller landlord type, the mortgage lender, and title company for the transaction. As the listing agent, the title company will pull from your closing MLS disclosure. Should you need to change title midway through the transaction, use the orange link CTM Title Company Database. Search by the company name or the contact first name, select the office and contact, and the new information will populate to the closing MLS info form, as well as your contact sheet. You will click on the CTM Lender Mortgage Database, search by company name and contact first name, select the office and contact, and the information will populate to the closing MLS info sheet and the contact sheet. There is also a note box at the bottom of the form for any additional notes that you need to make for this transaction. As always, click Save. By using the Closing MLS Info feature for every transaction, you will have accurate reports and save time.